Hello, I'm Kim Rumble, and I'd just like to say I've completed the 12 months with Acceler8. What a year. Every month coming up from Sydney to Brisbane. I've really learned a lot and had the camaraderie of some fantastic people here, really interesting women with interesting businesses, and watched how we've all learned, and we've learned a lot. Oh, I have personally, because for me, as much as I've winged it in business and I've been really successful, this year gave me an insight into many more things that I could do with my managers, who are amazing, giving them insights and stuff that they could do and we could work on. Social media was a great thing for me because I like the marketing side of things. Of course, I hate the numbers, but I've learned to know what a balance sheet is and a P&L. Yay! This is awesome. So, Tanya's very good and her team have been fantastic in being hands-on and easy to talk to, and if we didn't understand, we got insights and clarity. So I would have to say that for me, it's been a pleasure. I love Brizzy. I like Sydney better, but it's been fantastic to come up here, learn, go back with some goal for the month, something to work on, something that we could achieve and see a difference. And for me, technology, oh my God, hate that stuff. But if I put some new apps in place that I love every single day, which is huge for me. So I can only but encourage people to say, do it, it's worth it. I think you will learn a lot, and also you'll make a lot of new friends. So thank you, Acceler8. It's been fun.